Hey everyone, welcome to Sue's Cooking. Today I'm going to make a roasted red pepper and walnut dip in our new deluxe cooking blender. This cooking blender is unique to all other blenders on the market because it's the only one that I know of that actually has a heating element inside it. Unlike most cooking blenders that are out there, they use friction to cook their food, so there is not a specific temperature, which is important when you're doing things like eggs. That you want to be able to kill bacteria. We have a heating element in ours, and we even have a patent pending for the jelly and jam setting. So you can make not only nut butters like peanut butter or almond butter, but you can make your own jellies and jams. You can make your own almond milk, or flour. You can grind your own flour in here. Obviously, fruit smoothies are the smoothest ever. We've actually done a side-by-side test with a Vitamix, and our smoothies are smoother than that, so that was kind of cool. In addition to that, you'll be able to make soups and sauces with this, which are amazing. So today, I'm not going to make hummus today, but I am going to make a dip. So you're going to take the blender off the base, and we're going to use a jar of roasted red peppers. Now mine are a little bit, it's supposed to be a full jar, but you use what you have, right? So we'll just cut the other ingredients by a smidge. Then we're going to use some shelled walnuts. So I'm going to pour most of that in there. I'm going to save a little bit because I had a little less roasted peppers. Then it says 2 cloves garlic peeled. So I'm going to take our garlic. Now, if I was crushing this for a recipe, you don't need to peel it. You can just push it through our garlic press. But I am going to put it inside our silicone garlic peeler and then just roll it on the counter, and voila, it peels the skin right off your garlic clove. So I'm going to put that in here too, and I'm going to grind all of this up together. Let's see. So then we need 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to use our measure mix and pour. So our measure all cup. So this is the 4 tablespoon, the cute tiny one. If you haven't seen these, we do have a 1 cup and a 2 cup. So this says 2 tablespoons of oil. So you use red for solids or sticky ingredients, and you use the blue measurements in the other side for things like soy sauce or water, things like that. We're also going to be using a little bit of honey. It's a tablespoon of honey. And one of the things that you want to know about honey is that you want to buy your honey local to you. So if you have a local farmer that grows or raises bees, is a beekeeper, if you buy your honey local, you'll have less allergies in the spring and fall because the bees are pollinating off the trees right in your area. So that's really actually a key. Now we're going to use lemon juice. So I could use a jar of lemon juice, but the other day I peeled a lemon and I actually just stuck it in a piece of tin foil. And the reason I did that is because it was, I peeled it, or I zested it so that I could use it again. Oh, it's too squishy. So hold on, we're gonna go grab our famous standby, which is, and by the way, if you have to buy lemon juice because you don't have good lemons, you definitely want to use this brand. This is the best brand that I found. Hi, Carrie. In lemon juice. So we're going to use this one, and we're going to use a tablespoon of lemon juice. Normally I have lemons and limes on hand. I do have a lime over there, but my lemon was looking a little gross, so I guess I left it out yesterday when it was too hot. All right. Tablespoon of lemon juice, tablespoon of honey. Now we're going to get to some dry ingredients. So we're going to use a little bit of paprika. So it's going to be a 1/2 teaspoon of paprika, and we're using our adjustable measuring spoons. They go from 1 teaspoon all the way up to, 1/4 teaspoon all the way up to 1 teaspoon. And then the matching one goes from 1 teaspoon all the way up to 1 tablespoon. And they do come apart for easy cleaning, so you can just pull them apart and stick them in your dishwasher. So those are great. So this is a teaspoon of paprika. And the last thing is a 1/2 teaspoon of salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of crushed red pepper flakes. So it's going to give it a little bit of a kick. And then you're going to be able to serve this with vegetables or crackers. whatever it is that you think that your friends would like. This is going to be similar to having a hummus, and there's a great recipe for hummus in here, and it has all different flavored hummuses, so I'm looking forward to trying those. So I think I have all my ingredients in here, so we're going to put the blender on. We're going to put the cover on, and I'm going to pull it out a little bit. I'm going to turn it on. There's an on button on the side, and it says to set it to the grind setting. So I am going to, oh, helps if you plug it in, sorry. You too can be a Pampered Chef consultant. So we're gonna put it on grind, and then we're just gonna push the start button here. It's gonna start grinding down. Now, if for some reason things don't go all the way down, I can open the top and push it down on the side, down into the bottom. So sometimes when you're making peanut butter, you need to push the nuts down in and around, and the blades are dull, so they're not sharp, so they're not going to cut this up. So it'll be great. 2 minutes and it's going to be done. Can't wait. It looks delicious. So it goes and it pauses, it'll go and it'll pause. There's also a cooking and a puree blender setting on here too. So it'll agitate, cook, agitate, cook. Minute 36, hang in there guys. Looks good. So, all kinds of great recipes. I've made the sweet potato soup already. Smoothies. Smoothie bowls. These were really popular when we were in Hawaii. When we were eating out, they charged you, I think it was like $17 for a fruit smoothie bowl. It was crazy. Alternative milk. Almond milk, cashew milk, coconut milk, macadamia, oat milk, and rice milk. I see some girls be making some mixed drinks using this recipe, which is actually made with rice, long grain rice, and sweetened condensed milk. There's a grind setting for butters, cashew, peanut butter, almond butter, sunflower butter, and super seed butter. How about your own pancakes? You can grind up your own wheat and make your own pancake mixture. This is our hummus and our dip. 18 seconds, it'll be done. All kinds of great soups. Mushroom, potato cheddar, tomato basil, beet soup. That might be one I might try soon. Butternut squash with pumpkin granola. Another great one. It's done. Broccoli cheddar soup with cheddar biscuits. And if you want this cookbook, all you have to do is message me. Heated purees. So that was one of the things I did before. Beet puree, broccoli, carrot, cauliflower, parsnip, sweet potato. And purees are beautiful for adding lots of flavor to a dish. And this is that hidden marinara sauce that I was telling you that you can hide vegetables if your kids don't eat vegetables. It's got carrots and zucchini in it. And then there's sauces. So game day football season, there's a really good cheese sauce to go over your nachos. Look at that. So here we are. We are all done. I'm going to hit cancel, shut the button off, open this up, and give you a sneak peek at my new dip for the day. So I'm going to eat that with some crackers maybe. So thanks for joining me for Sue's Cooking. If I can help you with anything in the future, let me know. I hope you'll subscribe to my YouTube channel. And as always, have a pampered day.